In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel spreadsheet into ClickUp with a quick and straightforward tutorial. Whether you're managing tasks, planning projects, or simply organizing information, knowing how to bring your existing Excel data into ClickUp can enhance your productivity and take your project management to a new level. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the ClickUp webpage. Open your preferred browser and head over to ClickUp's website. If you haven't logged in already, you'll want to do so next. Just click on the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, locate the drop-down menu, which is typically found in the top left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this drop-down will give you access to various settings and options. From this drop-down, click on Settings. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to tweaking and customizing your ClickUp workspace. Within the settings, you'll find the Import/Exports option. Click on it to proceed. Here, look for the option labeled Spreadsheet and click on it. This is where you'll start the process of importing your Excel file into ClickUp. Now it's time to choose the location for your import. Click on Select Location, and you'll be prompted to pick the space and the list where you want your Excel task to be imported. This is crucial because it determines how your data will be organized once it's in ClickUp. Next, you'll need to choose the format of your dates. Depending on your Excel setup, make sure to select the format that matches your data to avoid any discrepancies once it's imported. Once all these settings are configured, click Continue. This will take you to a screen where you can decide whether to enter data manually, which can be useful if you need to add or adjust information before completing your import. After any manual adjustments, it's time to upload your file. Click on Upload File and select your Excel, XLSX, or CSV file from your computer. The platform will then prompt you to select a specific sheet from the file if applicable. Choose the sheet you want to load data from and then the sheet where you'd like to import the data to within ClickUp. After selecting your sheets, click Continue. You'll be taken to a review screen where you can confirm each mapping choice to ensure that all columns and data types match up correctly. This is an essential step to confirm that your data will appear as you intend it to within ClickUp. Click Continue after reviewing your selections, and your import process will be complete. Congratulations! You've now successfully imported your Excel data into ClickUp, allowing you to utilize all of ClickUp's powerful task management features with your existing data. Following these steps, you should have a seamless transition from Excel to ClickUp, making your work more organized and accessible. Thanks for joining me today, and happy task managing.